I almost missed it. Alright, catch up.
R301 here.
This man turns into Octane times 3. Let's go.
Extended light mag here.
Yo, when he carries a weapon and runs, it looks clean. It looks so fly. I wish I could third person and show y'all. Actually, they should return third person. Third person was so amazing. Will you get higher jump height and stuff? Oh, I need to learn how to.
Bolt SMG here.
I don't know how you straight jump. I don't know how you straight jump. I don't know how you straight jump. Oh, I thought this was a person. But tell me I don't look like a person when you come out. Alright, maybe not. But bro, I thought that was I thought that was the whole person.
Round 2, beginning ring countdown.
We are inside the ring. Good faith.
Where's the barrel?
Blessings upon us. A replicator descends.
I like that scope. I don't. Oh yeah, I have a scope on my. Bro, I want to go third person. My skin looks so nice. I'll take that. No barrel mods. I want that Phoenix kit. I have a Volt key and I haven't gone to the Volt yet. I'm tripping.
Might be something good this way.
But why don't you tell me, bro? What's up with you guys? I'm just tired. Like, let's go.
Got an enemy out there.
Heard that.
I got the Volt key.
Let's go this way.
Enemies right here.
Kugita. Copy that.
Ramila.
Bless me with sight.
I'm not gonna scan up from that far, am I? Well, I got a sniper for you.
I'm taking fire.
Yeah, I told you it beamed. Oh, I thought it didn't beam. Whoa, charge rifle was nice. I don't know what y'all are talking
Recharging my
about.
shields.
Charge rifle was nice. Some of y'all agree with me, bro. Charge rifle was nice, man. Other people out here with the triple take and sentinel. I'm sorry, I can't use that. Ooh, oh, look, charge rifle's cranked.
Taking fire.
Marking our surroundings.
All right, let's see if I can make a play. You guys ready?
I am Brock Hunter.
Let's go.
Reloading.
Oh, I have no aim. Whoa, Octane, what are you doing? I'm dead.
Scanning the area.
I beamed him. No, I was going crazy. I'm not hitting my shots. But they're all so low. Oh, he got them all. Let's go.
I actually got hit.
Giving him the chimney. Already on my mark. Firing for effect.
Need assistance here.
Oh, I thought. Never mind. I thought she threw it on herself. I was gonna say.
Care package incoming. Let's get me up.
I don't know what's around here. And I didn't take the Phoenix kit. You see what?
Nap time's over.
Man, I should have took that Phoenix kit, bro.
Shield syringe here.
Yep, I'm blaming y'all. Ooh. Thank you.
Taking a moment to recharge my shields.
Oh, bro. There we go.
I will hunt for loot over there.
He said it so lightly.
Recharging my shields.
What? No sound effects. Okay.
Attention. New kill leader. Watch your 6.
Someone traveled through here recently. Scanning the area.
Countdown.
I dropped the Volt key. Hold on.
Taking a knee.
I just got
Patch it
scanned,
up.
didn't I? Dang. Oh, I shot you, bro. You should have dropped. I hear people.
The replicator online.
Oh, well.
Cargo bot is shut down. Making contact with enemy.
I know there's people over here.
Scanning the area.
Nah, you're beamed, bro.
Must go faster.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Taking a moment to recharge my
He's gonna come down here. Okay, no.
Reloading. Down one.
Ooh, shield battery. Oh.
Reloading.
No. Pick up shield battery.
They're not getting.
scanning area. Recharging my shields.
I want to hold my shield battery.
We took out the champ.
Bro, I literally have no kills. Stop playing. Bro, I'm not about to walk out this game with no kills. Stop playing. Bro, oh my god, bro.
The ring is close.
No, I'll take
Time
that.
graces
And I'll
us.
take that barrel mod. I didn't have a barrel mod this entire game. Man, we didn't even loot their bodies. Well, I didn't. Y'all are probably mad at me. I'm stealing all his junk. Alright, let me stop. Oh, let me stop. So I got all purple. Ooh, y'all see my loadout for this man? Bro, I don't want to take a whole half pot. Not half pot. Like I'm playing Fortnite. No, I don't want to take a shield battery. Oh, I don't want to take one. I need shield. I need shield pods.
Taking a moment to recharge my shields.
I saw someone, and I don't think they're selling cookies.
Heard that.
10 seconds. Jump pad up.
Ooh. Ooh. Pick him up, coach. Pick him up.
Enemy over there.
What do you think is over
Oh,
here?
he just ziplined.
Son, things moving. Care package incoming.
Copy that.
That dude's over there.
Watch your backs.
Come on, Bangalore.
Someone traveled through here recently. Cancel that. There's a jump tower over there. Want to check out over there?
Oh my gosh, bro. He scared me.
Oh no, there's another squad.
I'm shield battering up.
Ready, set, go.
Taking a moment to heal. Taking a moment.
Alright, it's
recharge
time to go
my
crazy. I'm playing, stop
Charging
looking
on my
down.
shield.
shields. I bathe in the blood.
I missed all my shots!
Double timing it. Throwing jump pad.
Oh my gosh.
Marking.
I gotta heal up.
Recharging my shields.
Reloading.
Healing my wounds.
I gotta take this Phoenix kid, I got to.
Reloading. Taking fire.
Oh, he got him? Okay.
Mira,
On the right. I'm spotted. Take fire.
All father, give me sight.
My aim is so cocked out right now.
Contact.
go.
Let's go this way.
Faster, faster, faster.
Should I res?
Oh, there's another squad.
Your time is not over yet.
I'm down.
Oh, let's go!
I'm taking fire. Down a hostile on Scotty.
I don't want to pick you up yet, bro.
They know. I will assist
I'm gonna die, bro. I'm gonna die. I shouldn't be doing this.
you. Reloading.
No! I got a purple. Oh! Bro, it's 2 squads, bro. No! Oh!
Reloading. Our enemies have met them. All father, give me.
I'm dead! Ah, that was a good game. That was a good game. That was a good game.
This is where it ends.